Another big story that we are tracking tonight, an Idaho Supreme Court judge has ruled the trial for accused Moscow murderer Brian Kohberger won't happen in North Idaho.
Instead, the trial for Kohberger, who is charged with killing 4 University of Idaho students almost 2 years ago, will now take place in Ada County. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy spoke with a legal expert for more on what this means. Connor?
Mark Whitney, the new trial location in Boise is 300 miles away from where the crime occurred. This new ruling means all future proceedings in the case will be held in the Ada County Courthouse under 4th District Judge Stephen Hippler. This is something Kohberger's defense team has been asking for since January. Kohberger's defense team fought for the relocation of the trial, arguing a close-knit community in Moscow combined with the amount of news coverage wouldn't make it possible for an impartial jury. Former Idaho Attorney General Dave Leroy says the change will be costly and both counties will have to work together when it comes to funding the relocation.
Every individual juror who ultimately sits in this case will have to assure the court that they are open, unbiased, will decide the case solely on the evidence that's presented in the courtroom. That will be easier to do in Ada County than it would be in Latah County.
He also says he's in support of the trial relocation, saying the amount of publicity in a small community such as Moscow could affect the validity in this case. The judge noted the new location has protected routes for witnesses to enter and leave the courtroom. Last year, Kohberger opted to stand silent when asked to enter a plea in the case, and that led to a not guilty plea entered on his behalf by the judge. Kohberger's arrest occurred 6 weeks after the killings. The trial date is set for June of 2025. In studio, Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.